Hello everyone, my name is Park In-sung. I'm going to talk about my childhood memory. When I was 8, I went to Singapore with my family. It was very hot and wet, so our family often went to the swimming pool. There were 3 swimming pools in front of our apartment. These are the three swimming pools. The first one, it had the water slide and it was very shallow. And the second one was close to the spa and it was deep enough to practice swimming. And the third one was the largest and the deepest. So when I went inside, I had to tiptoe because it was too deep for me at that age. If I have another chance, I want to go there again. Thank you for listening.